Hello, and welcome back to English Unshackled. Do you ever feel stuck, translating every word in your head before you speak? It makes you slow, nervous, and sometimes even embarrassed. Now imagine the opposite, speaking English naturally, without thinking in your native language. Just expressing yourself freely and confidently. Today, I'll guide you through 3 simple and powerful practices: listening, drill, and shadowing. Together, they'll train your brain to think in English and speak without fear. And by the end of this video, you won't just study English, you'll live it. That's the moment you finally break free. The very first key is what I call the child's ear. Before a child ever says mama or dada, they spend months, sometimes even a full year, just listening. They are like a sponge, quietly absorbing the world of sound around them. They absorb the music of conversation, the rhythm of questions, and the melody of stories. They are filling their well of understanding. Most adult learners are too impatient. They try to draw water from an empty well, forcing themselves to speak before they have truly listened. We will not make that mistake. We will honor the power of silence and begin by filling our well. This is the absolute foundation of natural English. Right now, we are going to do our first listening practice. I will tell a short story about a woman named Maria. Your only job is to relax your mind and open your ears. Don't worry about understanding every single word. That is the old way. The new way is to feel the language, feel the flow. Let the sounds of the English story wash over you like gentle music. Ready? Let's begin. The sun begins to climb into the blue sky. Inside a quiet room, a woman, Maria, is sleeping. A small ray of sunlight touches her face, and she slowly opens her eyes. The room is calm. She can hear birds singing outside her window. She is very sleepy, and her body feels heavy. For a moment, she thinks about staying in bed all day. But then, she remembers something wonderful: coffee. The idea of a big, warm cup of coffee makes her smile. She gets out of bed, her feet cool on the wooden floor, and walks slowly to the kitchen. The house is silent. She opens the cupboard and can smell the fresh coffee grounds. It's a beautiful smell. She prepares her coffee, and as the warm liquid fills her cup, she feels happy. Maria knows today will be a good day. Amazing! Your brain just absorbed the authentic rhythm and melody of natural English. It doesn't matter if you understood 10% or 100%. You were doing the most important work, training your ear to hear the music of the language. This is a huge step. To help your brain hold on to these new sounds, let's do a quick and gentle repetition of a few words from the story. Just listen and repeat after me. Ray of sunlight. Speak now. Ray of sunlight. Makes her smile. Speak now. Makes her smile. Fresh coffee grounds. Speak now. Fresh coffee grounds. She feels happy. Speak now. She feels happy. Wonderful. Repetition is your best friend on this journey. The more you listen like this, the more natural you will sound when you begin to speak. Before we move on, let me know you're here and practicing. Comment below with just one word you remember from the story. And if you're ready to unlock your fluency, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now for our second powerful key. Have you ever wondered why some things are automatic, like riding a bike or tying your shoes, while speaking English feels like a constant, difficult effort? The secret is not in your talent. It's in your brain's wiring. It's time for a quick cognitive tip. We're going to talk about neural pathway paving. Imagine your brain is a huge, dense forest. When you try to speak a new sentence by thinking of grammar rules and translating words, it's like trying to fight your way through thick trees and bushes. It's exhausting, slow, and you can easily get lost. But when you repeat a simple, complete phrase over and over, you are clearing a path. The first time, it's a small path. The 10th time, it's a clear walkway. The 50th time, it becomes a smooth, paved highway. Your brain can travel on this highway at high speed, without thinking, without translating. This is how you make English automatic. Our next English practice, the drill, is the powerful machine that paves these highways. Think of it like a workout for your mouth and your brain. We are going to repeat some simple, useful sentences. Your job is to say them out loud with me. Don't just think them. Speak them. Let's pave our first highway together, focusing on the morning routine. I wake up at 7. Speak now. I wake up at 7. I get up right away. Speak now. I get up right away. I turn on the light. Speak now. I turn on the light. I walk to the kitchen. Speak now. I walk to the kitchen. I make some fresh coffee. Speak now. I make some fresh coffee. I drink my hot coffee. Speak now. I drink my hot coffee. Excellent work. Now, let's pave another highway, this time for the evening routine. This will strengthen your ability to use different phrasal verbs. I come back home late. Speak now. I come back home late. I take off my old shoes. Speak now. I take off my old shoes. I sit down on the sofa. Speak now. I sit down on the sofa. I turn on the television. Speak now. I turn on the television. I order in some food. Speak now. I order in some food. I feel good in my home. Speak now. I feel good in my home. Fantastic! You just paved 2 new neural highways in your brain. Did you feel that? The first repetition was maybe slow, but by the last one, it felt easier, more natural. This isn't magic. It's training. This muscle memory is what saves you in a real conversation. When someone asks what you did today, your brain doesn't freeze. It just drives down the smooth highway you already built. You are actively rewiring your brain for fluency. If you felt that little bit of progress, Give this video a like to validate your hard work. You now have two keys: the child's ear for listening and the drill for building automaticity. The third key is perhaps the most fun, because it connects language to your heart: the mirror method. Children are master imitators. They copy everything: the words, the tone of voice, the smile on their mother's face, the serious look on their father's. They don't just learn what words mean, they learn how words feel. This is the secret to a confident and expressive speaking practice. The technique is called shadowing, and it works because of something in your brain called mirror neurons. These are special copycat cells that activate when you watch or hear someone else. They are the reason you might yawn when you see someone else yawn. We are going to use these copycat cells to learn the music of English. You will be my shadow. I will say a sentence, and you will repeat it immediately. But here is the secret. Don't just copy the words. Try to match my voice, my rhythm, and my feeling exactly. If I sound happy, you sound happy. If I sound calm, you sound calm. This is how you connect your English vocabulary to real human emotion, making it unforgettable. Let's try it. I really love my coffee. Speak now. I really love my coffee. This day will be great. Speak now. This day will be great. I feel so happy today. Speak now. I feel so happy today. I am ready to start. Speak now. I am ready to start. This is a new beginning. Speak now. This is a new beginning. I think I can do this. Speak now. I think I can do this. This is a little difficult. Speak now. This is a little difficult. But I will keep on trying. Speak now. But I will keep on trying. Incredible! You didn't just say the words. You felt them. There is a huge difference between saying, "I feel so happy today," like a robot, and saying it with a smile in your voice. This practice is so powerful because it bypasses the analytical grammar part of your brain and activates the part that understands emotion and connection. This is the bridge between knowing English on a page and using it in a real English conversation. The more you shadow, the more your own unique personality will start to shine through when you speak. Imagine yourself tomorrow morning making coffee and saying with a real smile, "This day will be great." That is the moment the language truly becomes yours. You now have the 3 master keys to unlock your natural English voice. You have the child's ear from our listening practice, which breaks the chain of not understanding. You have the brain-paving power of the drill, which breaks the chain of slow, hesitant thinking. And you have the expressive confidence from shadowing, which breaks the chain of sounding robotic and disconnected. Do you see? The goal was never to be perfect. The goal is to be free, to break the chains of hesitation, of fear, of silence, and just speak. Your English skills are not built by waiting for the perfect moment. They are built by creating small moments of imperfect practice every single day. You are not an English for Beginners student anymore. That identity is too small for you now. You are an English speaker in training. You are active. You are powerful. And you are on the right path to freedom. So, before you go, let's make a declaration. This is a promise to yourself. Leave a comment below and write, "I am unshackled." Feel the power in those words as you type them. Let this be the moment your new identity truly begins. If you are ready to continue this journey of freedom and build real, confident English skills, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Let's practice, grow, and win. You've unlocked your voice, so let's keep that confidence soaring. Keep the practice going. Click on the next video that appears on your screen and continue paving those neural highways. Thank you for your incredible work today. English Unshackled. See you in the next one.